Thanks for joining me here at American River Ace Hardware. I'm Danny, the barbecue manager here. Today we're going to be talking about Pawpa Flavor Rubs. I've used quite a few of them now. I've been pretty impressed with them. They're packed full of flavor. His white labels are all gluten-free and low sodium. He has a couple of these black labels, and there'll be one or two more coming out pretty soon. These are his. He's gonna have fun with making flavors rub. They're still low sodium. They're not gluten-free. I haven't got a chance to use these unfortunately yet, but I will. I got a lot of rubs I need to try out. His sauce. This has some nice chunks of garlic in it. Tons of flavor. Very good sauce. Multiple different. Put on rubs, ribs, rubs. Put on rubs. Put on rub ribs. Yeah, so putting it on ribs, amazing. Again, everything he has packed full of flavor, so you don't have to use excessive amounts of it. You're using a lot less than some others. We have two boxes here. So we have his Fuego pack. We have his Bare Necessities pack. 6 different flavors in each one. These ones have a little bit more heat to them. That's why it's called the Fuego pack. And his Bare Necessities are his kind of his best sellers, the top like 6. The Mamma Mia in here and the OMG garlic is just phenomenal on just about anything. Highly recommend you go ahead and just grab this one. They're smaller packs. Again, they're full of flavor, so you're not using as much. So this is a very good deal. I would definitely try it out. And if you like more heat, of course, this way. My wife and my 5-year-old, not big on the heat, so the Bare Necessities are definitely in my kitchen and always will be. Today we are doing country style potatoes with ranch. It's gonna be amazing. I haven't tried it yet, but I know it's gonna be great. There is a recipe on the side to make ranch dressing. I have done that. Best ranch dressing I've ever had so far. One little pro tip about this recipe is it says 2 tablespoons of Pawpa flavored ranch, 1/2 cup of milk and mayonnaise. By that 1/2 cup of milk and mayonnaise, in my opinion, it's a total of 1/2 cup. So 1/4 cup of each, and it's great. Or just double the tablespoons and make more, which you'll use. So do it. So after we softened up the potatoes, I sliced them up and then we fried them in the side burner here. Got them nice and brown, crispy, dusted with some more ranch for the result. Really good ranch flavor. I probably add salt to this, but nothing else. Really easy, definitely want to try it. Very good, very, very good. Now for an exciting future note here is there might be a Pawpa Flavors American River Ace rub coming out. I know what's going to be in it. I'm not going to tell you, but we'll be very shortly doing a video on that. I'm getting my first sample today of the rub after it got blended. It's gonna be phenomenal. I'm very excited about it. I've been trying to do this for a while. Found the right guy, so we're set up, and I got a few different ideas for some rubs coming out that are gonna be pretty interesting. So check them out. It's gonna be fun.